Day 26 of our hitchhiking journey to India.
Hello, we just embarked onto a hike towards that mountain up there. Okay, this is definitely dead end zone for the doggo. Neptune was sending us this way up. We found a different path now, so it's gonna work out.
After a while we arrived at a nice viewpoint over the city of Lecco and the Lago di Como. And we soon decided to climb higher and further.
Karakol found some wood sticks again. We found the right path again. And look at that vista. Bellissimo. The views get better and better. Bit tricky on the way down, eh? I like walking through here. Time for a well-deserved break.
From this close refugio there were two ways down to Lecco. The one back and one we didn't know yet. So of course we opted for the unknown.
Pretty scary walk. Back on the leash now. Can't get enough of that view though. But I'm scared of heights. We're facing another dead end. Oh, again. We had to turn around. Whoa, walk we're having. Lecco.
It was a lot of walking up and down and we were both getting really exhausted by now. But the views we kept on getting made up for it.
I found a nice walking stick, by the way. Walking down into the city again. We made it back. Back to the lake. And we went all the way up there. Beautiful tonight.
I forgot to take any footage with our hosts Arthur and Theo. Thank you guys for hosting us. This was